Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Did you install iOS 27 beta mainly because of the new Siri AI? If your answer is yes, you're definitely not alone. I've been reading comments from users all over the internet, and a lot of people updated their iPhones for one reason only. They wanted to try the new Siri. But after installing iOS 27 beta, they opened settings, requested access, and got hit with the same message. Joined Waitlist. And that's where the frustration begins. Some users have been waiting for a few hours. Others have been waiting a full day. I've even seen people saying they've been waiting multiple days and still haven't received access. Naturally, everyone starts asking the same question. Is my iPhone broken? Did I do something wrong? Is the waitlist stuck? The good news is that in most cases, nothing is wrong with your iPhone. Apple appears to be rolling out Siri AI access gradually instead of enabling it for everyone at once. That means even if you have a supported iPhone and you're running the latest iOS 27 beta, you may still have to wait. And honestly, that's what's bothering people the most. It's not just the waiting, it's the fact that Apple doesn't really tell you how long you'll be waiting. There's no countdown, no position in line, just a message saying you're on the wait list. I've also noticed a lot of users trying different tricks. Restarting the iPhone, changing Siri language settings, turning Apple Intelligence off and back on, signing out and back into their Apple account. But so far, there doesn't seem to be a guaranteed shortcut. For most people, it looks like the only real solution is waiting for Apple to activate access on their account. Another thing I've seen is confusion from users in different countries. Many are wondering whether region restrictions are affecting access. Others are asking if the rollout is slower in certain locations. Right now, Apple hasn't shared many details, which is why there's so much speculation online. At the end of the day, the new Siri AI is probably the biggest reason many people installed iOS 27 beta in the first place. So it's easy to understand why users are disappointed when they can't actually use it right away. Now I want to hear from you. Are you still on the Siri AI waitlist? How long have you been waiting? Drop your iPhone model and wait time in the comments below. Let's compare experiences and see how widespread this really is. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone waiting for Siri AI access on iOS 27. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.